Okay, let's look at decimal type. We study in 10 string, and when you're dealing with the decimal points, for example, amounts, it's actually not precise number. It's not 112.31. Okay, so let me print amount. If you look at here, looks like correct. Okay, but if I go back, okay, let's say print using formatted. Here inside, we are going to print the amount. This time we are going to print with 20 decimal points. Okay, it doesn't actually mean anything for 0. You can remove. Okay, if you say 10, the entire the length will be 10. Okay, we're talking about 112.31. There are going to be 10 space. Of course, we are going to have a 20, so supposed to be 20 here, and then 1, 2, 3 should be ideally 23. But often you can omit it. So let's see. I do have a mistake somewhere. Okay, there is a problem with the one space, so let's remove. Okay, so basically this one's saying where we are going to have a 20 decimal points. As you can see, there are some numbers. Okay, so this is actually not precise number, more like appreciated. Yeah, it's not actually correct. So when you're dealing with this numerical calculation for banking and financials application, this is actually means something. If we multiply by, let's say, $100 million, that's actually a lot of money. So if you want to avoid that kind of problem, we need to use decimal. Okay, we use let me remove. Here we say import statement from decimal. We call it capital D decimal. Most of textbook says we are going to import. Okay, but we can just import only one. So if we say principal, we use a capital T decimal. We often use as a string value. Okay, so let's say 1000. 0.00. So if you just say principal, sorry, missing in. Oh, sorry, that should be import. Okay, from decimal import decimal. So we have a 1000. This is actually accurate number. Okay, of course you can use print. Okay, so same thing, or you can use print add functions. So you can say print supper with let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 space and 2 decimal points. Okay, 6.2f. But open numeric currencies we use 10. So hang on, sorry, missing quotation. So when we say 10 space, we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, and then 10. Okay, that's a 10. The 10 and 2 decimal points and floating number, okay, with the decimal points. We can do the calculation, no problem. If we say x, okay, decimal, okay, we open use string 10.5, and then y equal to decimal, let's say 2. Then we can say sorry, x plus y, and then we can print. Okay, So here is the 12.5. Okay. Of course, you can format it. Okay. It might be a good idea to format it because it's a currency format. Okay, we'll say 10.2F. Okay. So here is the space 8 and then 2 more here, 12.50. Okay.